Thought I would start documenting what is the never-ending black hole of CNC machine improvements and upgrades. So one thing led to another, and here I am with a PiBot upgrading to also a Airedale STM32 IO Expander with TB6600 external stepper motor drivers, and upgrading my controller on my Genmitsu 4040 ProMax. Here are some of the parts. It will have a ton of inputs and outputs, independent proximity sensors for plus and minus on every axis, including the dual Y motors. So lots of input output. So I thought I'd start upgrading that. I'll also have, I'm also upgrading to NEMA 23 high pound motors and VFD 1.5 kilowatt spindle motor, which arrived today, which I'll be communicating. The PiBot will be running FluidNC, and I'll be communicating with RS485.